Hello Champ Squad, welcome back to another epic video, and today we're going to be doing Basic to Chef. And I've already done a little bit of it off camera, so I have these units. Anyways, before we begin in the video, if you want to help me do the trade, you can go in post office and type in this. You can type in CoolLittleBoy931 and send it to me. And that's spelled CoolLittleBoy 931. That's how you spell it. And that's all you have to do to help me. And send me a gift or something, and hopefully that'll help me. So anyways, let's continue on. Let's just trade like a bunch of But seriously. Oh my gosh. Jeez, why does no one want to trade, bro? I want Chef so bad. Oh wait, no man, that's the same person, dude. Bruh. Let's just all in the chat now. Because I want to get to, I want to get a chef so bad. Paired with my old godly. Come on. Can someone just help me, please? I'm gonna trade up to a legendary and I wanna see if I can. Oh my god, why does it take so long? Dude. Let's go! First W trade. Come on. W, let's go. But come on. Hey, let's go. That's a new legendary. Officially, we got one legendary. New. We got one legendary, guys. Let's see if we can do anything more. Let's see if I can get like 3 more. Let's see if I can get like 2 more legendaries. Hopefully at best. Off. Then. This guy. Let's go, another small W. As you can see, I'm not quite an inventory already, 15 units alone. This guy's name is Trader. Hopefully he's actually a trader. Let's see if he meets up to his name. Nope. Doesn't meet up to his name. Let's see if it can help me. Bruh, let's hop over to another lobby. Yes, but guys, this is actually a completely new account. Don't know where the 86 coins came from, but yeah. Nah, it's the same server, bro. Let's see if we can get someone to help me. I'm doing basic to chef. Can you help me, please? Hey, let's go. Another small W. Yeah, that's at least another small W. Wait, huh? When did I get the second one? Never mind. Oh, why would I copy and paste over to chat? Basic to chef. Can you help me, please? And off for there. Bro, why is everyone declining? No one's interested in Alpha. If that's what you're willing to offer, then I'll gladly take this. Oh my gosh, how hard is it just to get like... Just want to get onto the various trading. Oh, fuck. Dude! Everyone just thinks that they can decline. Bruh. I want anyone to give me anything. Starting to get annoying. Can doing basic to chef, can you help me? Oh my gosh, let's see if we can get... See if you can help me, please. Oh my gosh, how hard is it? Like, really? Can help me. Please just help me. Bruh. Let's see if we can hop onto this. Please. Alright guys, I think that's the end of the video, so I managed to get see what our best is. So right now this is what our best is. Anyways guys, if you want to see, I'll be doing more parts of this, but if you want to send me something, I'll remind you again. You need to send it to this users. Wait, no, not this user. No, guys. I am so deeply sorry. I am so deeply sorry. I did not mean that. So I'll just be putting this part at the front of the video, I guess. But yeah, guys, I'm so sorry that was not. See if I can find myself. It's the coolest alt 931. That is it, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's it. That's the one that you should be sending to. Don't mind the cool little boy. So yeah, that's the user that you want to be sending to if you want to help me in the trade. Please send me something good or anything will help. Anyways guys, Champ Squad, I'll see you in the next video. See ya!